Let us see the next question. Probabilities for the net cash flows for 3 years for a project are as follows. For the first year, for second year, for third year. Cash flows with the probability, cash flows with the probability, cash flows with the probability is given. Calculate expected net cash flows. So we are required to compute the expected cash flow for the first year, expected cash flow for the second year, and expected cash flow for the third year. This is the way the mean expected cash flows are required to be found. That is the first question. Also calculate the NPV. So we'll discount this cash flows into the present value term, and from that investment will be deducted. The amount of the investment is given as 10,000. Discounting rate is provided as 10%. So using 10% as the discounting rate, we will make the calculation of the NPV of the project. Try to do answer of the question on your own, then I will do working for you. So write down answer for the question. Working note number 1. Calculation of expected cash flows for year 1 to year 3. This is the way we can have. Cash flow is column number 1. Year 1 probability into cash flow. Second year again, it is the probability into cash flow. Again for the third year, probability into cash flow. That is the way we'll have a simple table to be prepared, because every year the amount of the cash flow is same. It is 2000, then it is 4000, and then it is 6000. Probability is 0.10, 0.20 and 0.70. 2000 into 0.1, that is 200. 4000 into 0.2, that is 800. 6000 into 0.7, that is 4200. Okay, for the second year the probabilities are only changing. Cash flows are remaining same. Probabilities are 0.3, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.5. So new probability and the same cash flow. 2000 into 0.2, that is 400. 4000 into 0.3, that is 1200. 6000 into 0.5, that is 3000. For the third year, again the probability is different. 3, 4, 3, 3, 4 and 3. So what will happen? 2000 into 0.3, that is 600. 4000 into 0.4, that is 1600. 6000 into 0.3, that is 1800. Okay, so cash flow, expected cash flow for year 1, it is 200 plus 800 plus 4200, 5200. That is for the first year, friends. 400 plus 1200 plus 3000, 4600 for the second year. Then 600 plus 1600 plus 1800, that comes to 4000 for the third year. This is the way the expected cash flow for year 1 to year 3 can be calculated, and then it will be discounted in present value term for NPV calculation. Next, calculation of NPV. First year it is 5200. Second year it is 4600. Third year it is 4000. These are the cash flows. Discounting at the rate of 10%. That is 10% is the discounting factor provided to us in the question. And present value. So 10% factors have not been given, so we'll compute it. First year 9091, second year 8264, third year it is 7513. 5200 into 0.9091, 4727.32, 4727.32, 4600 into 0.8264, 3801.44, 4000 into 0.7513, 3005.20, 4727.32 plus 3801.44 plus 3005.20. So present value of the cash inflow 11,533.96. Amount of investment, that is 10,000. So NPV of the project 1533.96. This is the way the NPV of the project can be found. So now we understand the final decision. The decision is like this. The project should be accepted comma as NPV is positive. This is what we understand. So there are two workings that we have done. One is the expected cash flows, discounting of the same, and NPV calculation.